I am at the Rumford Community Home, and they did a quick little car show tonight for the residents. There's some music, a whole lot of old vehicles, so I thought I would come and do a quick video, share with everybody. It's a pretty beautiful afternoon. It was chilly today, but very nice now. So. Oh, I bet that's pretty low, huh? So I'm just going to take a picture of this car leaving. This close. This close. This one's kind of my favorite right here, this old Rambler. So I just thought I would do a quick video of the vehicles, and hope everyone has a beautiful